India now accounts for a quarter of the world's deaths owing to COVID-19, and these are statistics that are given out by Government of India. The actual figure can be way higher. So why exactly is the second wave more lethal at the moment? Sneha Mordani with this explanation.
The morgues are running full capacity. Patients dying of COVID-19. Patients dying of lack of access to health care. The statistics, mind-numbing. India's record is beyond dismal when it comes to the total number of deaths we have been recording in the second wave of the pandemic. There has been a 7-fold increase in deaths reported in the last 1 month in India. India has seen more than 50,000 deaths in the last 20 days alone. India Today's Data Intelligence Unit has found that if you take the 1st of May 2020 as the beginning of the first wave of the pandemic, the deaths reported on this day was 77. Compare this with 118 on the 1st of February 2021, considered the beginning of the second wave. What is the reason behind this?
This huge surge in cases, definitely one has to admit that there is some degree of decrease in the quality of care that is being provided because of the number of patients rushing into the emergency and doctors having a tough time. And that may also be affecting morbidity and mortality.
So are these deaths preventable, given that experts say there is nothing to show that any of the new variants are causing more severity? Yes, say experts.
Not relatively higher in terms of mortality rate. The numbers in absolute counts are simply astonishing. We simply cannot imagine the number of deaths we are seeing because most people are getting infected in a short span of time and they do not have the access to healthcare facilities when they deserve the most. As a result, we are seeing many preventable deaths because we simply cannot save them as we do not have enough outlets providing oxygen or medical care.
The government continues to derive solace from the fact that India's fatality percentage is below 2%. But if you look at the absolute numbers, consistently over a period of time, India is reporting more than 3,000 deaths. This translates roughly to about 125 deaths due to COVID-19 every single hour in the country. Sometimes even more than this. What's worse is that there is gross underreporting.
Underreporting of deaths is a worldwide problem and India is no exception. Access to COVID-19 testing is limited, especially in rural areas and in lower socio-economic groups. People might not have access to lab testing. If such people develop COVID-19 and die as a result, their death might not always get classified as COVID death.
A team at the Indian Institute of Science in Bangalore used a mathematical model to predict that about 404,000 deaths will occur by the 11th of June if the current trends continue. With inputs from India Today's Data Intelligence Unit, Sneha Mordani, India Today.